Oh, hello guys. Welcome to Forest Clinic. My name is Rollins. As usual, it's good to have you here. We're going to have fun today. So, the topic for today is crypto trading for beginner. Crypto trading for beginner. There are lots of ways you can get into crypto trading. One of the things you need to know is CoinMarketCap. As a beginner, in crypto trading, you need to be familiar with this market. Type CoinMarketCap and search. It will open this. This is the website coinmarketcap.com. Once you get into the market, you can see that everything is listed here: cryptocurrency, exchange, community products, learn. If you want to learn some things here, free academy, research, video, and glossary. The another thing is you see that all the cryptocurrency established ones are all listed according to their market capitalization, which is the total worth of all the available coin in the market. So you can see the biggest one is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, USDC. They are listed according to their market capitalization. This is the name, the price, their current price, the changes in price over the past 1 hour, percentage change in price over the past 24 hours, 7 days. Then you see the volume traded over the past 24 hours, the circulating supply. And this one is just a summary, a chart showing the performance over the past 7 days. So with CoinMarketCap, you can also see trending information, most visited coin currently, past 24 hours, recently added. And then you can see also look at this. This one is also the showing the fear greed index of the market. So fear greed index is telling you that how generally looking, how are people thinking about the market. So you can see that it's almost neutral. Most people are neither thinking positive and negative. So most traders are in between selling and buying. So with CoinMarketCap as a new beginner, you can familiarize yourself with the available coin, their total market capitalization, the volume traded, and also have idea of what people are also thinking about the market. So if you find this video helpful, please share, like, subscribe to our channel, and then we hope to see you in our other videos. Have a wonderful